Hello everybody, ChestnutMtnTinman here. Saturday afternoon, about 5:20. Got a package here from Kenimoto. It came late yesterday, and that I am going to let y'all see. As I open it up, it is lights that fit right here, and they're pretty cool. So I'm gonna take you on the installation. It's not that difficult. See, are they marked? Are they marked? Yeah, skinny part at the top. That's what I thought. All right, you're gonna need a pry tool. You're gonna need a T27 Torx, and that's for to take these lights off. And then you need a so you just need the T27. So let's get started. It says oh, that comes out there and easy. Easier than I thought it would. That'll pop in there. First I've got to take these out so I can come around over here. And there's two screws. That's coming anyway. That's one of the things. Okay. Forgot to bring the camera over here. I'll show you on the other side. But it went through the hole right there, and then this just snapped in. And we're back over here. All right, now we come back over here. I may have to take those out. Be right back. I gotta figure out. All right, I'm back. I got this screw broke loose. Alright, those are loose. Now, this thing came splitters, connectors, and all kinds of good stuff. So, that end goes there. It goes there. This back up here, plug it back into there. Now they said, I don't see any way to come down through there. Okay. Felt it come down to me. Okay, I'll be back when I figure this out and I'll show you. All right, I've got the screws in. I had to get the wife to come out and help me. I forgot to turn the camera on. But holding this assembly up, it's heavy. And my screws didn't want to go in at first. I had to put some pretty good pressure on them to get them to start. So I had her just hold the assembly so I wouldn't lose it. Put this back on now. All right, that side's in. Take our equipment. Oh, why is he facing the wrong way? Smart deal, Ronald. Maybe we know how to do this other side now. Pop the bin out. All right, got the bin out. I can't do that on this stool. Oh, fine. Should hire a cameraman for this. All right. You just feed it through that hole. All right. Please. Okay, removing these two bolts. I don't think I'm gonna have to. I will in a minute.
Huh?
I will in a minute. I'm down to getting.
Huh?
Huh?
I could. Hang on, I gotta turn this off because I'm. Did you need help?
I will in about 5 minutes. Have to get this side wired up.
Okay. Do you want me to open those things for you? You know what they are?
Yeah.
What?
One's my rear lights. I don't really know what the other one is. Doing the same thing here, running this.
What? If you're talking to me, you're gonna have to speak up because I'm doing.
No, dear. This is the splitter. Goes the other way, dummy. Okay, I can use you now. Hey, hold this.
Let's put that other one in too. Just, I mean, like, stick it.
Are we over the hole? I got it now.
Got it?
Yeah. Alright.
Sorry, babe.
There they are. Can't use that video. Okay. Wrong button. Left blinker. Right blinker. Hazards. They work. Look pretty good. All right, now I just got to pull the wires up and tie them off and all that good stuff. Oh, that is a new fairing LED grill light. Hazard lights for when they turn to amber. Trying to get that glare out of it. Thought it'd be better when it wasn't so dark. But there you can see how they come on as turn signals. There it is with the right turn signal. There it is with the left turn signal. Yay. Hey everybody, this is ChestnutMtnTinman, and I've been installing and reviewing the Kenimoto LED lower fairing grill lights, and just wanted to give a couple of my 2 cents worth. Here are the lights. That's the right side, the left side, and then of course they turn in to the turn signals. Those are the hazards on, but you can see they turn into the turn signals. I really like them. They really give another pop to the bike. And with a motorcycle, any extra thing you can do to catch a driver's eye, that's nasty. I clean that. That's my headlight. But anything you can put on to give an eye-catching appeal. I do wish they were a little brighter. As you can see, these and these are brighter than those, but they're still there. And they really pop as turn signals. But I really like them, and I like how they make the bike pop. So we'll just see how they last. And I might come back in a month or two of using them and make another comment on what I think. But overall, I'm impressed and like them a whole lot. I give a big thumbs up to the purchase and installation of these LED lower fairing lights for Harley Davidsons by Kenimoto. So yeah, go out there and get some for your motorcycle if you've got one like this.